Thank you, RJ. Now it is my pleasure to introduce Cheryl Timmons from the Friends of the Anaheim Police Department, and she's going to explain to you where every penny we collect today is going. And after she's done, I don't expect to be able to see anything. I want donations in this jar. Open your wallets. I know you've opened your hearts. But thank you so much, and let's introduce Cheryl Timmons. Give her a big round of applause.
Yay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Like RJ, I can't thank you from the bottom of my heart enough for what you're doing. I can't believe it. The day I got this phone call from Bobby saying, hey, we've got this put together, this. It was just days after Bruno had been shot. I've never seen anybody put something together so quickly and so magnificently. So thank you all for coming. This is awesome. Let me explain a little bit about Friends of the Anaheim Police Canine Association, and then I'll turn it over to Captain Conklin, who is here representing our command staff. But what we're all about, back in 2001, we saw a need for the retired dogs to have some kind of medical care. After they've done all this marvelous service, as you guys all know, for our community, when they retire, the medical bills then become the handler's responsibility. And what is just so startling about that, when you see the partnership, and all of you guys being dog lovers know what that partnership is like with your own specific pet. But when you talk about a canine unit, that partnership is beyond anything you can imagine. As I watch this grow, I think these guys have to pay out of their own pocket for the expenses of their dog, and then sometimes it's decisions whether, you know, they've got like young families, like RJ has a 3-month-old baby. You know, my partner, my baby, and we don't want them ever to have to make a decision, because that partner is vital to them and to life. So we step in once the dog is retired and we pick up the medical expenses for them. That is our main purpose in life, is to pick up the medical expenses for all of the retired police dogs of just Anaheim. Right now we have 3 that are in there that are in retirement, and we know by the end of the year we'll have 5. So all the medical bills and anything else that they need. Now, as far as the specifics on Bruno's situation, as long as Bruno is like in the hospital and before his official retirement date is given, Anaheim PD will be picking up the bills. And then the minute he's retired, RJ will be able to buy Bruno for $1. And $1, and then he officially becomes his. So then from that point on,
Sorry, you can't talk to me
no deal. So anyhow, from the time that he is retired, then it becomes our responsibility, and we will pay all the medical bills and anything else that Bruno needs. And that's what our cause is for today, is for Bruno. We do as a group, Friends of the Anaheim Police Canines, we work as a partnership with the police department. We are a nonprofit 501c3. We're volunteers that run this group, so we are totally separate from the PD, but because the needs intertwine with each other, we do work in partnership with them, and have meetings with the chief and the captains and everything else. So that's in a nutshell what Friends is all about. And I would like to take this opportunity to introduce Captain Bob Conklin to you for a few words from our PD.